G'day, this is Jason here from Forex Trading Watchdog, and today we're looking at the pound dollar, and we're looking at the 4-hour time frame as always. And today is February 20th, 2020. So anyway, let's take a look and see what happened here. As you can see, we have a regular divergence right here, with a low and a lower low on the chart and a higher low on the indicator of choice. Okay, so our entry would have been right here after our signal. We got our signal here when we had this MA cross up over this one, and we would have got in right here. As you can see, our stop always goes at the swing low down here. Our stop would have been about 62 pips. And it went up 130 pips. There's our 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay. Previously, before this trade, the trade we covered was over here. We had a high and a higher high and a lower high on the indicator, and down it went. It was a success. We also had a double bottom right here. Or this was the last trade we covered. This one right here with the double bottom wicks right here, and up it went. But as you can see, when we climbed up so fiercely and quickly up here, there was no divergence set up here that's set up to sell to go down here. Okay, there was also no hidden divergence in here. The only trade we had was right here since this entry of the double bottom trade. Okay, so anyway, what I was really looking for is price to go up here, make a higher high up here, and would have made the setup right here to sell, but it didn't do that. Instead, they just quickly sold it off. As you can see, they sold it off 220 pips from the high, most recent swing high right here. So anyway, if we put the Fibonacci on this puppy, okay, right there, and we bring it down to our low, from the high to the low, as you can see, it came up to the 38.2. It rejected a little bit, and then came up, smashed through it, almost touched the 50%. Okay, remember our most important key levels is 32, 50, and 61.8. 78.6 tells you that the trend is over. It's going the other way now. But anyway, as you can see, we bounced off the 50, came down. We jimmer-jammered around here again. Once again, they took it up to the 38.2 right here, and whammo, they sold it off. So for those who trade Fibonacci, that would have been an excellent sell right here, close to the 50, or at the 38.2, and also again at the 38.2, and down she goes. Okay, so anyway, I want to say thank you for listening and watching my divergence setups and Fibonacci terminology, analysis, I guess you could say. I do deliver good terminology, good analysis. It's to the point. It's simple. It's understandable. It's the best you can get. If you want to be trained on how to trade divergence and Fibonacci as a couple, I do that. Just click the link in the bottom of this video and it'll bring you right to the page where you can sign up. Thanks for listening. Once again, this is Jason from Forex Trading Watchdog.